Hello, and welcome to the Bankers Masterclass Series in association with CaixaBank on the new rules of digital banking. I'm Joy McKnight, Deputy Editor of The Banker. In this final chapter, I'm joined by David Urbano, Head of Imagine Bank, CaixaBank's digital challenger bank, to talk about the millennial generation and the role that social media plays in engaging with the millennial audience. David, thanks so much for joining us.
Good morning, Joy.
So can you tell me a little bit about the sort of different characteristics that millennials have that warrants a different approach to banking?
Yes, it's great to begin this interview with that question, because that was the question that we did ourselves 4 years ago when we created Imagine Bank. And we create Imagine Bank to attract these kind of customers, to attract the millennial. And I'm going to go back to the original definition of millennials. That means that they are the ones that have born between, if I'm correct, between the 81 and the 2001. And all of them were the first digital native. And as CaixaBank, we create Imagine to catch them, but we also attract other kind of users, but users that have all of them the same behavior and not related with the age. So they have the same behavior with very concrete needs. So these needs were 100% digital, fully mobile, easy, quick, and with non-only financial products. And so as a bank, as CaixaBank, we create Imagine Bank to answer to this new behavior with users.
Okay, so Imagine Bank has been going now for about 3 years.
Yes.
What has been your big success to date?
We have a lot of success, but if I had to resume, I think the big success is to achieve the main KPIs in 1 year earlier. So these could be customers and also quality. In terms of quality, I will begin in terms of customers. In terms of customers, we achieved 1 million users last year. But what is more relevant is that almost 75% of them are active users. So that means they use the app or they use their card, and they use it very much. And we also control our customers not to go to other digital solutions. And that's something that we have on Imagine Bank. I think they prefer Imagine Bank than the other solutions, perhaps because the user experience is better or the portfolio of products is more complete. And the other KPI that we achieve in these 3 years is quality. So at that moment, our application is one of the best applications on the app stores. And I could say that it's that because the user experience is very, very easy, very transparent, and very fast for our customers.
So what has CaixaBank really learned from the Imagine Bank experience?
So I think since Imagine Bank is a 100% solution, what CaixaBank has learned is to transform some of its processes into become more efficient. And for example, the onboarding process, which is one that we have worked too much on Imagine Bank, and customers can become a customer of Imagine Bank or CaixaBank between 5 and 10 minutes, depending on the skill of the customers or the internet connection. And with just an idea and a face video, and without go to the branch, he can become a customer. And we do using all the terms and all the laws that the Spanish and the European organizations made us to comply. And this is something that we have built on Imagine Bank, and we have moved to CaixaBank, and now a customer from CaixaBank can do it digitally without go to the branches. And also another thing that CaixaBank has learned is how to work with agile methodology, but into the business area. When we launched Imagine Bank 3 years ago, we decided to build the organization of Imagine Bank into different squads using agile methodology. And the results of that were so positive that we decided to move to the business area of CaixaBank.
So what role does social media play in really attracting the millennial generation to a new way of banking?
Yeah, for us, social media is I would say the thermometer that controls the quality, which is the more important KPI for us. And the behavior of our customers makes them to tell when something doesn't work or something they don't like it, they tell it very fast on the social media. So we have to be very, very focused on the social media. And also use social media to communicate Imagine Bank. And we communicate Imagine Bank to engage our own customers, but also to attract the new customers. So we use Facebook, Instagram, Twitter to make a lot of campaigns to attract these customers. And also, the reason why we create Imagine Cafe, which is a place in the center of Barcelona where young people can meet and can share activities and can co-working, was to stream what we do there without our social media to offer these contents to all the young people in all over Spain.
Well, thank you so much for your insights, David.
Thank you very much.
So this concludes the Bankers Masterclass series in association with CaixaBank on the new rules of digital banking. I hope you enjoyed this series, and thanks for watching.